Imagine speaking without connecting your ideas. No and but or because. It would be like reading a book with broken sentences. And what about expressing strong emotions? How would you say wow or ouch? That's why we have conjunctions and interjections. Welcome to the Grammar Doctor, where we make English grammar easy and fun. Today we're covering the last two parts of speech, conjunctions and interjections. Stick around till the end for a quick quiz to test your knowledge. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences together. For example, in the sentence, I like tea and coffee, the word and connects two nouns. Another example is, she was tired, but she kept working, where but connects two sentences. There are three main types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join two equal parts of a sentence, such as for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S. An example is, I wanted to go out, but it was raining. Next, we have subordinating conjunctions, which connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. These include because, although, since, if, while, until. For example, I stayed home because I was sick. Finally, correlative conjunctions work in pairs, such as either or neither, nor, both, and not only, but also. A sentence using a correlative conjunction is, you can have either tea or coffee. Moving on to interjections, these are words or phrases that express strong emotions or sudden feelings. For instance, we say, wow, that's amazing, or oops, I dropped my phone, to express surprise or realization. Some interjections express joy, like hooray, yay, wow, while others show pain, such as ouch, ow, ah. We also have interjections of greeting, like hello, hi, hey, and those of agreement or disagreement, such as yes, no, meh, nah. These words are essential in everyday conversation. Conjunctions and interjections often work together to make sentences more expressive. For example, wow, I wanted to go outside, but it started raining. Another example is, oops, I forgot to bring my book, so I went back home. You can see how conjunctions help connect ideas, while interjections bring emotion into a sentence. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. First, which word is a conjunction? A, and, B, ouch, C, hi. Second, fill in the blank. I just won the lottery. A, and, B, wow, C, because. Finally, what type of conjunction is although? A, coordinating, B, subordinating, C, correlative. Comment your answers below, and I'll reply to let you know if you're right. Congratulations! You've now learned all 8 parts of speech. Conjunctions help us connect ideas, and interjections help us express emotions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master English grammar. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grammar lessons on The Grammar Doctor. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.